Look at these guys. This dude thinks he's a YouTuber now.
Winky. Shout out Spicy Winky.
So we're gonna go get a start 2.5 hours away. Actually getting a start.
We're taking you back
80 horsepower. Oh yeah, is that money you're gonna give me for the YZ?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
You'd take that much for the YZ?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I bet you would, buddy.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Yeah. 20 minutes till we get to see the start.
Mexicaned out, honestly, if you want to be honest. But my camera's
Stark Varg in person. Number 100, Josh Hansen.
I mean, it's kind
On the start. I think it'll be pretty fast. One Stark I rode was fast. Even got the hand guards. Hell yeah. No way, Stark Varg?
Yeah,
You got a new Stark Varg? Wait, Jason bought the Stark Varg and I get to ride it now? Yeah. Sleeping Beauty.
You get the idea.
Just pulled up to Jake's. Got the Stark.
That's scary, dude. I don't even want to ride it. I just want to.
80 horsepower.
That's a wall ornament, dude. That's unrideable. I know. That's unrideable. Did you get on video of me going by?
Uh-uh.
Let me do it one more time.
This bike is crazy, ain't it? I'm telling you, Starks on 80 horsepower are actually retarded.
I know.
They're so dumb. It's actually pretty dangerous, honestly. God damn! Holy fuck, dude. That's fucking fast. He probably should be wearing a helmet, honestly.
Yeah, especially with that tire being crooked.
Yeah, we gotta fix that front end being twisted. Good purchase?
Yeah, I don't know. I almost don't want to ride it.
That bike's so fast, we almost all looped it out.
I didn't leave it. I wasn't even close, buddy.
Yeah, you were during the test ride. In 10 horsepower, you almost looped it out. I will give it that. I did almost loop it out on the test ride. Okay. But 80 horsepower is retarded. The Stark looks super clean with all the graphics pulled off. It looks so much better. You can't pull off the swing arm graphics. But it looks way better stock. Charging the Stark. About to go ride some 110s and one Stark. One Stark, two 110s, one Stark.
Jason, you popped my tire.
Oh, yeah?
Really, look.
No, it's not.
It's not flat.
You just weigh a lot.
I can replace a couple of them about it.
I was gonna say, why didn't he start up his bike and warm it up? No, I had a bad start. Let's redo it on 10. Alright. Alright. Are you in first? I'm in first.
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
That's crazy on 10.
Yeah,
At 10 I can get you.
You beat me. Let me switch it to like...
KLX 110 beat a Stark Varg.
Yeah, I'll put it at 12.
Okay.
Or 13.
We're about the same off the start, but then I get you as I click up gears.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
You want to do it going this way?
Yeah.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
What were you on that one?
13 horsepower.
13?
I beat you though.
Damn.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
No! He's cheating.
Stark Varg. He's gonna do a launch on the test dummy.
He about swapped when he landed. Race you?
I'll put it in 2 1. Ready?
Put it in 1. Hold on.
3, 2, 1, go.
No. Let's do a launch right here.
Come here. 3. That was 13 horsepower. Yeah. You gonna drag race me, Mason?
Yeah.
He's gonna beat you, dude. Then it's like,
Yeah.
go.
You like your bike? Good purchase?
Yep.
Whole crew needs e-bikes now.
We need a fucking Ultra B, dude.
Looks like I'm getting an Ultra B now.
We can do urban riding.
Jake's got to get a Sur on too. Or Stark.
Yeah, start.
Either or. Just an e-bike in general.
It's so fast. For no reason.
It's just instant power.
Dude. E-bikes are the move, dude.
Yeah. I just got to boss up and get the money.
It has no power in this motor. It's fucking just all fun.
You like it, Jake?
Huh?
You like it?
You wanna ride it?
Yeah, I want to ride it.
Yeah. Take on me. Y'all need to check yourself. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of it. Even if it does become flat, I might just buy a new battery for it.
God, this thing sits so tall.
Go ahead, Mason.
This thing's so sweet. We're only in mode 2, so we're like 30 horsepower. God damn, that's retarded. I don't even want to go any more than 30. That motherfucker almost got me. Motherfucker.
Hey, that's what you get, motherfucker.
Motherfucker. Where to now? I have no idea. I don't know if we're on anyone's land or not, but I don't really have the quietest bike. Try to be as quiet as possible over here, I guess, at least by his house. Oh, we're just right over here. some urban riding we're doing.
One eternity later.
I'm Spicy Films. I'm about to jump this creek.
Yeah! He's
let's
gonna
go.
do it!
Yeah. Alright, wish me luck.
Good luck, buddy!
Didn't have the helmet strapped up first time, so we're gonna hit it this time. Wish me luck.
Good luck, buddy! What do you think's gonna happen?
He's gonna make it.
Yeah, he will. You're like, dude, that's so awesome!
Alright, I did endo in the air.
Do it again. That was sketchy. Better.
After a long, hard day of riding, big creek jump, you have your practice mechanic wash your bike for you. Mechanic Jake, getting that thing right.